Welcome to Beautiful Home. If open concept living has ever felt a little too open, a little too loud, or a little too undefined, 2026 is about to change your mind. This year, designers aren't abandoning open layouts, they're refining them. Think smarter zoning, warmer materials, softer transitions, and spaces that feel intentional rather than overwhelming. Open concept living in 2026 is less about tearing down walls and more about designing flow, comfort, and quiet luxury. Let's explore the 7 biggest open concept living interior design trends for 2026 and how to make them work beautifully in real homes. In 2026, open spaces are no longer one big visual blur. Designers are using soft zoning to create purpose without walls. Area rugs define seating zones, ceiling beams subtly frame dining spaces, and furniture placement becomes architectural. Curved sofas, console tables behind seating, and low bookcases act as gentle separators. The goal is to keep sight lines open while giving each area its own identity. This approach makes open concept homes feel calmer, more organized, and far more livable. Rather than multiple contrasting colors competing in one open space, 2026 favors a unified color palette layered with texture. Think warm whites, soft taupes, muted clays, olive greens, and gentle greys flowing seamlessly from kitchen to dining to living room. What keeps it interesting is texture. Lime-washed walls, ribbed wood panels, linen upholstery, boucle chairs, natural stone, and hand-finished ceramics. The space feels cohesive, elevated, and quietly luxurious without feeling flat. The kitchen is no longer the visual center of attention shouting for dominance. In 2026, open concept kitchens are designed to blend in. Cabinetry matches surrounding furniture tones, appliances are fully integrated, and islands resemble sculptural tables rather than workstations. Open shelving is curated and minimal. Lighting is warmer and more atmospheric. The result? A kitchen that feels like part of the living room, inviting, calm, and beautifully understated. If you're enjoying these ideas and love modern, elegant home inspiration, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me which trend speaks to you most. It really helps the channel grow, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Lighting does more than illuminate, it defines space. In open concept interiors for 2026, layered lighting is essential. A sculptural pendant anchors the dining area, while softer lamps and wall sconces create intimacy in the living zone. Recessed lighting fades into the background. Designers are choosing organic shapes, plaster finishes, aged metals, and linen shades. Lighting becomes both functional and emotional, guiding the flow of the space without a single wall. Furniture in 2026 open layouts is no longer just decorative, it shapes the room. Oversized sectionals with curved backs, chunky wood coffee tables, modular seating, and sculptural accent chairs create natural boundaries. Pieces feel grounded, substantial, and intentional. Instead of many small items, designers favor fewer, stronger silhouettes. This makes open spaces feel designed, not cluttered, and helps anchor each zone visually. In 2026, open concept living embraces nature, but in a refined way. Wood tones are consistent across the entire space, often in light oak, walnut, or warm ash. Stone appears not just in kitchens, but on coffee tables, side tables, and even accent walls. Floors are continuous throughout the open area, avoiding visual breaks. The focus is harmony, materials repeating gently from zone to zone so the space feels intentional and soothing. Perhaps the most important trend of all, coziness. Open concept homes in 2026 intentionally include smaller, intimate moments. A reading nook by the window, a pair of chairs near the fireplace, a quiet corner with a floor lamp and side table. These microzones make large spaces feel human and inviting. Designers understand that people don't live in wide-open rooms, they live in moments. And 2026 is all about designing for those moments. Open concept living in 2026 is no longer about size or spectacle, it's about balance. Balance between openness and comfort, flow and function, beauty and livability. When thoughtfully designed, an open space doesn't feel empty or overwhelming, it feels calm, warm, and deeply personal. If these trends inspired you, take one idea and apply it to your own home. Even small changes can completely transform how an open space feels. Thank you for watching Beautiful Home, and I'll see you in the next video.